Today, we're going to introduce a Korean restaurant, Hangaram, where you can enjoy various casserole dishes, including their own creation, 차돌박이 영양전골. On Food Alley Corner, we visited a street of youth and art, Taeyangno. Also, we're going to introduce Di Matteo, where you can enjoy the original taste of charcoal grilled Napoli pizza. To a world of decadence. Hello everyone, I'm Jamie Yee and this is Cuisine Korea. Every country has their own style or rule of cooking and even eating their food. For example, bibimbap is a very popular dish here in Korea where you mix all the ingredients inside your bowl before eating, whereas this act will be considered improper in Japan. I could give you endless examples, but the point to all this is best to follow the etiquettes of the country which you are in. With this in mind, let's begin.
Love me tender, love
The River of Seoul, Hangang. It flows through the center of the city and is one of the best sightseeing spots in Seoul. Hangang Park is an area where you can relax and enjoy.
I love you so. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams.
The 63 building towers high with Hangang as its backdrop. There are many things to see and taste around this area, and the Korean restaurant we're going to be visiting is located here as well.
Love me tender, love me.
한가람은 85년도 63빌딩 개관과 함께 영업을 시작하였고 400평 규모의 200명에서 250명을 동시에 수용할 수 있는 넓은 공간과 전통의 멋이 어우러진 실내 분위기와 대중적이면서도 정갈한 음식으로 고객님들을 모시고 있습니다.
A large hall decorated with Korea's traditional patterns and tiles creates an atmosphere of beauty. Hangaram offers a diverse selection from the traditional basic course to full course specials. And wondering what we'll be making today? Today's menu is 차돌박이 영양전골, which is a nutritious casserole made with beef marbling and various vegetables. They say it's the most popular among customers at Hangaram. This man's casseroles fascinate the picky gourmets. Let me introduce Kim Nam-chul, also known as the casserole chef. 한가람에서는요, 전골들이 굉장히 유명하다고 들었는데요. 어떤 종류들이 있나요?
네, 한가람에서는요, 영양 전골도 있고, 국수 전골도 있고, 해물 전골도 있고, 아주 전골이 참 한가람에서는 유명한 전골이 많습니다.
그러면 지금 만들어주실 요리는 어떤 요리죠?
네, 차돌박이 영양 전골입니다.
차돌박이는 어떤 부위인가요?
소 양지 머리 맨 위에 부분인데요. 그 부분이 아주 마블링도 잘 되어 있고 아주 좋은 부위입니다. 근데 여기 이 부위는 그냥 구워서 드셔도 아주 맛이 좋습니다.
그럼 한번 시작해 볼까요?
네.
First, prepare the main ingredients like the beef marbling and vegetables. Next, prepare seasonings such as powdered red hot pepper, chopped garlic and onion, and soy sauce. First, let's make the seasoned sauce. Pour the appropriate amount of meat stock into a dish. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and sesame oil respectively. The sesame oil will make it tastier. Then add 1 spoonful of chopped onion, garlic, and ginger. Also add a half a spoon of salt. Then add a little seasoning and ground pepper. 3 teaspoons of powdered red hot pepper will be spicy enough. How about 3 teaspoons of powdered green perilla? Mix them all together and the seasoned sauce for the casserole dish is complete. When the seasoned sauce is ready, then prepare the vegetables. First, cut the green onions in half Then slice in 5 cm thickness. Place them onto a dish and save for later use. Like the green onions, cut leeks in 5 cm thickness and leave for later use. Cut crown daisies in the same size as those of the other vegetables and set aside. Tear the oak mushrooms with hands and now all the vegetables are ready to be cooked.
좋은 차돌박이 고르는 방법이 있나요?
네, 있습니다. 예, 여기 앞에 있는 이 고기가요, 이 차돌박이인데요. 여기 위에 부분은 아주 마블이 참 잘 돼 있죠. 그리고 여기 부분은 좀 마블이 좀 덜 돼 있죠. 이 부위 가지고 사철탕에 나가는 고기를 바로 이렇게 만드는 겁니다. 그러니까 여러분들은 꼭 주의하실 게 여기 밑에 부분은 이 고기로 하시고 요 위에는 얇게 슬라이스해서 놓은 게 이제 차돌박이라고 합니다.
The beef marbling is the main ingredient of today's menu. Cut the meat from the beef marbling, then boil for 4 hours and cool. Then tear with hands and save for later use. Add a little chopped garlic, powdered green perilla, and sesame oil, then mix well for best seasoning. It makes the 차돌박이 양양 전골 taste much better. When all the ingredients are ready, then layer a generous amount of sesame leaves on the bottom of the casserole pan. Add the sliced leeks, crown daisies, and oak mushrooms in order. Slice the fat of the beef marbling and add to the pan. Then place the boiled and seasoned beef marbling. Next, pour the meat stock and add 3 teaspoons of the seasoned sauce. If you want it spicier, then add a bit more of the seasoned sauce. Boil all the ingredients over high heat until they are well cooked. Now the 차돌박이 영양 전골 is complete. This is a stamina-building dish full of nutrition anyone can enjoy regardless of age or gender. Hangaram also serves other various casserole dishes. A perfect combination of noodles, beef, and assorted vegetables, mushrooms, and meat stock made by boiling sea tangle and dried anchovies. And the powdered red hot pepper will give this noodle casserole a spicy fling. The small intestine casserole, cooked with fresh small intestines, vegetables, and meat stock, is one of the best dishes of the restaurant. Hangaram 정식 is a set menu served with 6 different side dishes, including soybean paste pot stew and roasted croaker. Bossam is the tender and chewy pork wrapped in fresh cabbage. Torsor bibimbap is rice mixed with various vegetables enjoyed by many foreigners. Hangaram provides a to-go option for their casserole dishes. Regular customers take advantage of this takeout service to enjoy at their convenience.
Wow, look at this table in front of me. There are so many different dishes and the different types of casserole. Let me begin with the 차돌박이 영양 전골. Let me take a spoonful here. Some of the meat and the soup, of course. Wow, I wish you could smell this. It smells really good. And I've also been told that there's this sauce right here. So mix this a little bit. I think that's red pepper paste and sesame oil. Well, I'm not an expert at that. I'll tell you how it tastes though. Let me grab some of the meat. It's so tender. And the sauce, it gives it a little bit of the spicy taste. Very nice. And the soup, it has a very mild, smooth taste. And you could eat this as is or dip it in the sauce.
If you want to enjoy a variety of traditional Korean foods, then why don't you order the set menu served with dessert? And if you're a foreigner who's not familiar with Korean dishes, we recommend the Korean buffet. Korea's traditional atmosphere and the various Korean dish menus make Hanggaram very popular among the foreigners who visit the 63 building, as well as office workers from neighboring buildings.
저는 여기 오면은 영양 좋은 거를 자주 찾습니다. 그 이유는 몸이 허하고 기운이 없을 때 그 한글 먹고 나면 아주 스태미나에 최고입니다.
깔끔한 한정식도 좋지만요. 장소가 넓고 이렇게 룸이 잘 돼 있어가지고 각종 모임이나 동창회 같은 거 하기 좋아가지고 자주 오고 있습니다.
A bowl of boiling hot stew and chewy noodles, topping it off with a refreshing cup of traditional tea. Nothing like a full stomach. I hope you enjoyed this segment of Cuisine Korea. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again next time.
Looks so good.
An European-style building catches our eyes. It's the Ritz-Carlton in Gangnam-gu, Seoul. The luxurious interior well suits the five-star hotel, the perfect combination of the old and the new, and a fluent creation with a class like that of the Versailles Palace.
저희 리츠카튼 호텔은 9개의 레스토랑과 바를 가지고 있습니다. 그 중에서 깔끔한 요리를 제공하는 일식당 하나전호, 그 다음에 다채로운 요리를 제공하는 중식당 취홍, 그 다음에 지중해 요리를 제공하는 카페 판티노, 그 다음에 정통스러운 양식을 제공하는 세자르 그릴, 마지막으로 저희가 가꾸운 베이커리를 제공하는 델리쇼 까라발리가 있습니다. 그 중에서 저는 여러분들에게 정통 5 다이아몬드 레스토랑인 세자르 그릴을 여러분들에게 추천해드리고 싶습니다.
Today's restaurant recommended by the Ritz-Carlton Seoul is Cesar Grill. It's the first Korean restaurant which was awarded the 5-star Dinans by the world's authorized evaluation institute on hotels and restaurants. You can taste traditional European-style dishes and 140 different kinds of wine and champagne throughout the world.
엄선된 최상급 냉장육 스테이크류, 특히 한우 안심과 살아있는 바닷가재, 해산물 등 차별화된 최고급 식재료를 사용하여 자연적인 고유의 맛과 육질이 부드럽고 담백한 신선도를 유지하여 가벼운 건강식 메뉴에 중점을 둡니다.
Let's find out what the special dishes are at Cesar Grill. A dessert lemon cream parfait served with sour lemon cream and seasonal fruits. Tenderloin steak with lobster served with fresh sauce. A salad for appetizer with the perfect combination of caviar and crab meat. Sweet and cold paprika soup with the roasted scampis. Cesar Grill sometimes hosts the food festival, and you can taste various dishes from the world as well. In addition, a Chinese restaurant, Chi Hong, a Mediterranean-style restaurant, Cafe Fantino, and a Japanese restaurant, Hanazono, are the prides of the Ritz-Carlton Seoul.
I'm standing in the middle of Maronie Park, located in Daeangno, a place well known for its diverse culture and energy. This place also brings back childhood memories to the elders. There are many live performances on the sidewalks and many unique tastes to try. Do you want to find out what's really out there? Then why don't you follow me?
Daeangno ranges from Jongno-oga to Haewa Rotary. Seoul National University used to be here and therefore gained the name Daeangno. The symbol of Daeangno, Maronie Park, is popular for its sidewalk performances and unique flavors.
그냥 카페도 많고 음식점도 다양하고 공원도 있고 고궁도 있고 그러니까 와요.
연극의 종류가 많아서 이렇게 원하는 걸 마음대로 고를 수가 있거든요.
연극 보러 자주 나오세요?
연극이나 뭐처럼 야외에서 하는 공연들 그냥 활기차고
좀 복잡하지가 않잖아요. 다른 시내에 비해서.
You can't talk about Daeangno without the drama. Each small theater shows various theatrical performances which people continuously visit. Another feature of Daeangno is that many restaurants pride their unique architectural styles.
I've been told that there's a popular pizza joint around here, and I hear that the taste is to die for. But let us be the judge of that, right? Now come with me. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
참 분위기가
안녕하세요.
좋네요.
예, 반갑습니다.
디마티를 오픈할 계기가 있나요?
저 디마테오는요. 제가 1997년도에 TV 프로그램에서 그 이태리에 있는 그 클린턴 대통령이 먹어서 유명한 디마테오란 피자집에 가서 마르게리타라는 피자를 배우러 오라고 그런 프로그램 때문에 가서 배우다가 요걸 한번 우리 대한민국에 한번 해봤으면 좋겠다. 왜냐면 그 미국식 피자는 많이 와 있는데 정통 이태리의 나폴리식 그 지역 특성상 나폴리식 피자집이 없기 때문에 요거 한번 해봐야지 하는 그런 계기가 돼서 1998년도 1월 달에 오픈하게 됐어요.
그럼 디마테오는 어떤 뜻인가요?
디마테오는요, 그 사람 이름이에요. 그러니까 그 마테오네, 김간에 이런 것처럼 근데 마테오란 뜻은 그냥 마태복음하는 그 마테가 이탈리아어로 마테오고요. 그래서 마테오네 피자집 이런 뜻이에요.
His hands are very skillful. Since the Italian chef himself makes the pizzas, you can enjoy the original taste of traditional Napoli pizza at Di Matteo. Chef Rafael Monaco's family has run a pizza house for generations, and he began to make pizzas at the age of 13. Are you curious about why he bakes the pizza on the oak oven and not the gas oven? It's the secret of the Napoli pizza's good taste. Di Matteo pizza is made of over 20 fresh ingredients. Its unique taste attracts many regular customers as well as the picky gourmets.
원래 토마토 케첩 올린 원래 보통 피자 거는 좋아하지 않거든요. 그래서 그 담백하게 그 순수한 원료의 맛 있죠. 재료 본래 재료의 맛 그게 생각나서 이태리 그 본토의 맛을 생각나면 여기 일부러 찾아서
We all know that Italian pizzas are very tasty. Then can you tell me some of the characteristics of an Italian pizza?
La cosa importante è la manipolazione della pizza, la cottura. Il nostro è un sistema antichissimo, un vecchio sistema. È importante il banco, l'impastatrice, tutto è importante in questo mestiere, tutto messo insieme, gli ingredienti.
Then are there any secrets when you make the pizzas to make it more delicious?
La cosa importante della pizza è tutto, gli ingredienti freschi, la farina, il pomodoro, tutto è importante, la cottura del forno, temperatura stabile, le cose più importanti sono queste.
Can you show me how you make the pizzas then?
Devo fare una pizza adesso? Che pizza fare?
I'm used to just eating the pizza, and I tried to make it myself, but I couldn't eat. First, evenly apply fresh cream on the thin dough. Next, layer a generous amount of vegetables on the bottom and place various toppings like mushrooms and ham. Then sprinkle fresh cheese and it's ready to be baked. The oak oven is extremely hot, so the use of a long stick is needed to transfer the pizza. It took less than 5 minutes to bake the pizza dough. It was really amazing. The comedian and owner, Mr. Lee Won-seung, served me the pizza himself. It looks delicious, a crispy pizza bread and the thin dough. A lot of vegetables were used for the topping and it tasted very tender.
Unlike other pizzas, the pizzas here were baked in a wood-burning oven. They look very delicious. Now I'm gonna taste them. I feel like I'm in Italy. It's very good.
Enjoy the original taste of Italian pizza at Di Matteo, then explore the neighborhood with a full stomach.
The good thing about Daeangno is that you can taste delicious food here and also experience other cultures through museums, like the Museum of African Arts. Now let's go in and take a look.
This is the first African art museum in Korea. About 4,000 works of arts like the masks of 70 African tribes and sculptures are on display. When you go out to Daeangno, why don't you visit the African Art Museum? In addition to the luxurious restaurants, you can enjoy various kinds of food on the street. Regardless of generation, groups of the young and the old enjoy the flavors of the covered wagons called pojangmacha. The hot boiled fish paste, spicy tteokbokki, boiled corn, and many others just waiting to be discovered. No man goes carelessly by a place where profit leaps. I tried one spicy tteokbokki. No, I tried 2 of them. Free sidewalk performances are also very famous at Daeangno. At Daeangno, youth, romance, culture, and art are breathing. The old beauty of antiques disappeared, but the street is full of vitality and excitement. Whenever you visit, you can feel free to join in.
Wouldn't it be nice to be able to enjoy the perfect meal after an hour of theatrical performance? And taking a walk by the park or watching more live performances by the sidewalk wouldn't make a bad weekend either. Now why don't you come to Daeangno, where you can feel the energy of the youth. Cuisine Korea. I'll be back next time with more places to share with you. Till then, take care.